Inside the FMX Workflow Builder, you can now switch to AI Chat View. Simply describe the experience you want or start from an example. Let's create something more advanced. Once you hit Generate, the AI builds the entire workflow for you. All the features, the logic, the animations, and even the AI prompts. In seconds, you get a complete, ready-to-use workflow. From here, you can edit or tweak anything to your liking. Let's save it as is and see how it runs. Notice how smooth and seamless it is, ready to go without any manual setup. Create custom, high-end experiences faster than ever. The AI Workflow Builder by Foto Master. Try it today.